Hey guys, this is Divya and I'm back with another episode of Plums Prelims Level Up MCQ series, and today we'll be doing geography MCQs for January month. Right, so let's get started. So first question, which of the following rivers forms a natural boundary between Myanmar and India? Options are Brahmaputra, Teesta, Barak, Lohit. Right, let us see the answer now. Option C, Barak River flows through northeastern India and it forms a natural boundary between Manipur and Mizoram states and also between Myanmar and India. MCQ number 2, the Marble Arch Caves Global Geopark is located in which of these countries? Options are Scotland, Ireland, C. Wales and D. England. So let us see the answer for this question, guys. Answer is B, Ireland. So this Marble Arch Caves Global Geopark, it is situated in Northern Ireland in the province county Fermanagh, and it is known for its limestone landscape and underground cave systems. Third MCQ, which of the following mountain ranges is not located in South America? Okay, not located. Be very careful about this. Option A, Andes, B, Rocky Mountains, C, Sierra Nevada, D, Cordillera Blanca. So you know the guys, you know how it is. So guess the answer, write the answer in the comment section. So option B, right, that is Rocky Mountains are located in North America and not in South America, and these Rocky Mountains spans over US states and some Canadian provinces also, and the rest of the options Andes, Sierra Nevada, Cordillera Blanca are mainly in South America. Fourth MCQ, and there is a question. There is a typo error. So, which of the following is a United World Heritage Site which is in danger? Okay, in danger. It is designated as UNESCO World Heritage Site in danger. So, all of these options are present in India. Okay, guys. So, which of these are in danger? Okay. So, options are Hampi, Sundarbans, C. Kaziranga National Park and D. Chittorgarh. So, the option C, that is Kaziranga National Park, is UNESCO World Heritage Site, site in danger. Okay. So, that's the difference. Now, the fifth MCQ, which of the following deserts is located primarily in the southeastern part of India? Okay, southeastern part. Option, I'm sorry, not India, sorry, I'm sorry, Africa, southeastern part of Africa. So A, Sahara Desert, B, Kalahari Desert, C, Namib Desert and D, Atacama Desert. So let's see the answer now for this question. So option B, Kalahari Deserts covered parts of Botswana, Namibia and South Africa, and this is primarily in the southern eastern region of African continent, right? So with this we have completed today's Plums series, Plums MCQs. We'll meet in the next one. Thank you so much, guys.